Morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's March 29th, 2025, about 9:20 in the morning, and I'm going to head down and feed the animals. Pretty nice day so far. Morning, Harold. Ready to eat? Yeah, always. Bella still hasn't had her babies. All the livestock's taken care of. Here's Spaz came down to check out things at the barn. Look for those mice. Haven't had any for a while, so she's been doing a good job down here. Well, hopefully the weather holds. Got some things to do. It's Saturday. We got we're making sausage out of the hogs we processed. So it should be a good day.